वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल गाइस। आज 21 जुलाई है, बेल्जियम का नेशनल डे एंड मुझे छुट्टी है। सो आई थॉट मैं कुछ एक्टिविटी कर लूँ एंड इसलिए मैं जा रहा हूँ फिशिंग के लिए। येस, आई एम क्वाइट एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट। सो लेट्स गो।
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
सो गाइज आफ्टर 1.5 hour ऑफ ड्राइव मैं फाइनली पहुंच गया हूँ बोकॉल्ट एंड एज यू कैन सी ये होटल है एंड यहाँ पे हम लोग करने वाले फिशिंग। हियर वी आर, ये है हमारा पॉन्ड एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड। दिस इज द सेटअप। Say hi guys.
Hey, hi.
Hello.
This is Vinay and this is Jan, who has organized all these things for us.
Okay, great. So let's try this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's put some power bait on it. First.
Okay.
We can choose. Let's choose. Vinny has yellow, but we can choose any one. Any clay.
I'll go with orange.
Orange.
Yeah.
Let's go for orange.
Yeah. So this is just to stick our bait, right?
Yeah.
Or
This
to
is the
attract?
bait. This is the bait.
Okay, this is the
This
bait.
is the
Okay.
bait.
Okay.
So I'm taking a bit of bait
Uh-huh.
and I'm making a ball, making it warm
Okay.
so that it gets soft and that the oxygen disappears out of it.
Mm-hmm.
It's removed out of it. You see this one? It's a rather big one, so I'm gonna use a bit less. Okay, let's put it on the hook. Let's put it on the hook.
Mm-hmm.
It's not easy. If you're not able to do this, it took me weeks practicing. So
Okay.
I'm gonna make a longer drop. Even this format, I just learned it 1 week ago. Now I'm gonna put my finger on it, make it flat.
Okay, so it will look like a drop, water drop.
First a drop, then we make it flat.
Uh-huh.
You see?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna change it and put it 90 degrees like this.
Okay.
90 degrees like this.
Okay.
And now I have to make a beautiful drop on the line, on the wire. It's very important that it's on the wire, you see?
Okay.
But it's still not certainly not perfect. I'm still also practicing. I think now it's rather good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The hook should be in here, and now I see the hook is here, so it's not perfect. The hook should be in this place here.
Okay.
It's not perfect, but let's try.
Let's try it.
Yeah, you can.
So Vinay, this is your third one, right? Nice, nice.
Hey, knows how to do it, eh? Yeah. Yes, good. You can put it there. Put that one there. Wait, that's perfect. Give him an applause.
It's all because of you, Jack.
Yeah,
It's all because of your training.
yeah. So think about it. Reaction. You know that reaction is important. Releasing, and then give
Some
patience. Give him some time. And when he's 5 centimeters under the water, make a straight line, almost straight line, and then hook him. Make a bow of 1 or 2 meters, like this.
So मैं अभी वापस थ्रो करने वाला हूँ. I hope this time I'll get one. I already got one. सो हमें स्लोली से पुल करना है जब तक एक पुल नहीं आता फिश के एंड से. No, we didn't get it. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay. I think I got it.
You,
Yeah. Oh.
are you patient?
Yeah, yeah.
That's very good. And probably have it. Good, that shot. Are you gonna take him?
Yeah,
With your left hand here, 1 meter from the top, that's good.
yeah. That's good.
Yeah, give him some time.
Uh-huh.
When you feel he's tired,
Okay.
you can put it with his head on the surface and then you can put it in. This is almost perfect. 1 second, you can leave him, yeah? Yeah, and then you can put him in.
Oh.
Okay, you got
Yeah.
him, my man.
So अभी तक मैंने 2 फिश पकड़ी हैं and Vinay has got 4, right?
I've got 4.
Okay, and एक बड़ा वाला था salmon but Vinay couldn't catch it, but we'll try it.
We'll try it.
So यहाँ पे कुछ और लोग भी आए हैं. A kind of a public pond. So but here it's like our private. So अभी दोपहर के 1 बजे हैं and first half हमारा हो चुका है. So almost हमें 30 fish मिल गए हैं and 20 more to go, like we can catch 20 more. So यहाँ पे सिस्टम ऐसा है कि as you can see the pond, so यहाँ पे pond का ऐसा कुछ charges नहीं है. So per person यहाँ पे charges लेते हैं. So per person if you are targeting 20 fish, so वैसे charge होगा. So हम लोगों ने per person 20 fish लिए हैं. So trout and salmon trout, दो टाइप के फिश हम लोग अभी पकड़ रहे हैं. सो आई जस्ट शो यू हाउ मेनी वी गॉट. सो ये जो स्मॉल वन है ये है ट्राउट एंड ये जो बड़ी वाली फ़िश है दिस इज़ सैल्मन ट्राउट. सो ऐसे 5 फिश हैं पॉन्ड में और ये बाकी के सब छोटे फिश ऐसे अराउंड 50 रहेंगे पॉन्ड में. सो वी स्टिल हैव टू कैच फ्यू फिश. सो हम जो फिशिंग कर रहे हैं वो 2 टाइप्स की है. एक है एक्टिव और ये एक है पैसिव. सो पैसिव इन द सेंस हम लोग जो भी ये फिशिंग रॉड है विद बेट पानी में डाल के रख देते हैं एंड विल वेट. सो यहाँ पे तो ये है पैसिव टाइप और यहाँ पे जैसे यान अभी और एक पैसिव सेटअप कर रहा है. देन जब भी फिश ट्राई करेगी बेट को कैच करने के लिए तब हम उसे पुल आउट कर लेंगे. सो ये है पैसिव. और एक्टिव में एंड एक्टिव में यू हैव टू आपको थ्रो करना पड़ता है एंड एक्टिवली यू हैव टू पुल दैट स्ट्रिंग टू चेक कि फ़िश ने बैट को पकड़ा है कि नहीं. सो स्टार्टिंग में हम लोग ने बहुत एक्टिव फिशिंग ट्राई की है एंड नाउ वी आर ट्राइंग पैसिव वन. सो आई गेस यान को अब भी एक फ़िश मिली है थ्रू एक्टिव फिशिंग.
Big one.
Yeah, so it's a big one,
Salmon.
salmon trout.
Can you go out because we have to give him some space. Yeah, it's a big one. He's angry. But he will get tired somehow.
So हम लोग try करें कि वो कुछ tired हो जाए and then see, as you can see, उन्होंने उसे net में पकड़ लिया and then हम लोग उसे नीचे डाल के थोड़ी देर just रुकेंगे. So Jan, this is the salmon trout,
This is
right?
salmon trout.
Yeah, the biggest.
It's a rather small one actually. Normally they are even bigger.
Okay.
This is a half kilo,
Mhm.
600 grams.
Okay.
Yeah, but they can grow up to 10 kilo.
10 kilo, okay. So I'll give you some specification about rod, कि rod, fishing rod कैसे होता है. And this is the reel wherein we have this line जिससे हम लोग fish catch करते हैं. So this is reel and this is bail. So we have this opening and closure of the bell and सामने आप देख रहे हैं. Can you just put it close here? So ये जो चीज़ है सामने ये है फ्लोट. So ये पानी के सरफेस पे रहती है एंड जो नीचे देख रहे हैं ये है पावर बेट जो कि क्ले वॉर्म्स एंड डिफरेंट चीज़ों से बना हुआ हम बना सकते हैं उसको. सो या विनय जस्ट यू कैन जस्ट थ्रो इट वंस. विनय अभी जस्ट एक डेमो दिखाएगा कैसे थ्रो करते हैं हम लोग.
We just remove this, unlock the reel.
Yeah, so you just unlock the reel and you have to hold the line
Yeah.
with your finger.
Middle finger.
Yeah, and you have to just take it
Back of your
back
head.
of your head and then
You just throw it.
throw it. And then once you throw it, आपको just यहाँ पे lock करना है and you have to pull the string. So this is active fishing. So आप उसे continuously pull करेंगे and जब भी आपको लगे कि fish ने उसे पकड़ लिया then you have to loosen a bit and again pull it. So kind of आपको थोड़ा सा fish के साथ खेलना पड़ता है and then जैसे ही वो hook में अटक जाए you can pull it off. So Jan, this fishing rod which you are holding right now,
Yeah.
it's like cost how much?
The one of 2.70 meters long,
Uh-huh.
a length of 2.70 meters. I think it's around 33 euros.
Okay. And then you have to buy the line and the reel separately.
Yeah. So this is also 50 euros.
Okay.
Reel.
The reel is 50 euro.
Yeah.
And then you have to buy line
The line
and then this
and other stuff.
the float.
The float, the swivel, the load,
Yeah.
the swivel,
Yeah.
and the rubber stopper, the small thing here, the
Mhm.
rubber stopper,
Okay.
and the hook.
Oh, okay.
So let's say for one
Complete set.
set, it's 100 euros.
Okay. Okay. So it's quite expensive hobby, you can say.
Yeah. If you want to use different techniques and so on,
Uh-huh.
then it's quickly 300 to 400 euros.
Okay. So अभी हम fish count करने जा रहे हैं. So let's see how many we got. So Jan, let's start.
Okay. Here we have the big ones. There we have the small ones.
Yeah. So big.
1, 2.
So like 5 big salmon trout.
4. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Oh, we got 6.
12.
40. 42.
43 and 6 salmons.
Wow. So जैसे कि आपने देखा हमें ऑलमोस्ट ज़्यादा फिश मिली है. 43 स्मॉल एंड 6 बिग सैल्मन ट्राउट. सो अभी हम लोग वाइंड अप कर रहे हैं
And this is how you pack all your stuff back in car. Yeah, all packed. So guys, I hope you have liked my vlog, the fishing activity, and if you really liked it, do subscribe, like and share this video, and I'll see you in next video. Ciao.